Hello friends, this is Vidhika from iExamB, and in this video I am going to discuss about the securities market and what are the various participants that are present in the security market. Just bear with me for 5 minutes and you will be able to understand the entire securities market. So what are the various players which are present in this market? We have SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, as the regulator. Then we have stockbrokers, we have investors, stock exchanges and depositories. And how are these all participants linked to each other? That we will see in the upcoming slides. First of all, a very good information for all the aspirants who want to prepare for this exam, who want guidance. iExamB is running a flat 50% off on all online courses. If you are interested in any of the course, you can avail this discount as soon as possible. This is a limited period discount and it is soon going to get over, so hurry up. Let's begin with our understanding of the securities market. So we have a company which wants to raise funds, and what are the various ways by which a company can raise fund? There are two types of capital that a company can use to fund its operations. One is debt and the other is equity. What is debt? Funding by means of debt capital happens when a company borrows money and agrees to pay it back to the lender at a later date. That means the company is taking a loan from any bank or any financial institution. So here we have a debt financing. The other method by which a company can raise capital is the equity capital, in which the company sells shares of the company's stock, and by means of selling shares, the ownership of the company is diluted. The shareholders get voting rights, and owning a sufficient number of shares gives the investors some degree of control over the business in which they have invested their money. Now these are the two ways by which a company can raise funds. And for selling the shares, the company issues initial public offers. These initial public offerings are handled by the merchant bankers. Now here comes the role of stock exchanges, and what does a stock exchange do? All these shares are listed on the stock exchange. We have various stock exchanges: National Stock Exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange. A stock exchange is a secure place where trading is done in a systematic way. The securities here are bought and sold as per well-structured rules and regulations which are set up by SEBI, by stock exchanges. Now, if there is an investor who wants to buy these shares, who wants to invest in the stock market, how he will invest? They will approach the stock brokers, and the role of stock broker is to facilitate the buying and selling of stocks at the stock market on behalf of these investors. So we can say that these stockbrokers are kind of a middleman which will execute the trade in the securities market. And where is this trading done? This trading is done on the platform that is provided by the stock exchanges. There are clearing houses which are associated with the stock exchanges on which the selling and buying of the securities is done. So where does the depositories come into picture? Now, a depository is an organization which holds securities in the demat form, in the electronic form, through a registered depository participant. And a depository participant is an agent of the depository who is authorized to offer depository services to all the investors. Consider it like a bank branch. So if you want to deposit money in a bank, you go to a branch of the bank. Here, if you want to deposit or trade in your securities, those securities are present in a demat account in a depository, and these are handled by a depository participant. And where does SEBI come into picture? Securities and Exchange Board of India controls these entire participants in the securities market. So SEBI will control the depositories, SEBI will control the stockbrokers, SEBI will control the stock exchanges as well. So the entire stock market is being regulated by the Securities and Exchange Board of India. Now, which act deals with these three important institutions? These are very important acts for SEBI Grade A Law Officer exam. All these together hold a 15% weightage in your prelims and a 20% weightage in your mains. I would like to end here with a very beautiful quote. Success is where preparation and opportunity meet, and the opportunity is soon going to arrive. As is being discussed, SEBI notification is soon going to arrive in a month or two. Are you ready for this exam? This is the question that you need to ask. The opportunity is soon going to arrive. Are you prepared for this opportunity? That's all from my end today. Thank you so much for being here. Do subscribe to our Exambee channel, click the bell icon for getting all the updated information relating to notifications, relating to any upcoming exams. Thank you so much.